Mountain, and we're going to be going through Prairie View Trail. Now this hike is going to be fairly straightforward, no scrambling.
Keep that in mind when he says that.
Like we've done in the past. And this is just out and back, 12 kilometers. Elevation gain is not that much. It's only like 800 meters more or less.
Yep.
But I'm excited for this hike. I would say this is going to be a bit more chill.
And I think this will be the first peak that we've done in a while since our last official peak, which was what, Highland Peak? Or which one?
I feel like we've been doing a lot of ridges here, but yeah, I think it is. Yeah, I'm not sure. I have to look back, but nonetheless, it's a beautiful day out here again, and follow along and see how this hike pans out. How the trail so far?
Pretty calm, I'd say. Some bugs, but pretty
nothing
nice.
Too crazy. Trail is also just a bit, there's some muddy patches like these, but it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
I mean, it's honestly just a steady incline so far.
Yeah.
And see, I told you it's going to be a chill hike. Jasmina and I don't know if you watched the series Chosen.
The
But
Chosen.
is it The Chosen. But it's basically a series on Amazon Prime about Jesus. We're just talking about it because we love this series. It's great too, like film wise, like cinematically, it's just filmed very beautiful
and very educational. I love it.
Yeah, very informative. Nonetheless, it's coming out in November, December?
Yeah, sometime I think maybe December or mid-November. I'm not sure. There is a date set. I just don't remember what day it was. I'm excited for the new season. Yeah,
me too. It's a great series if you're looking for a series to watch on Amazon.
And to binge watch
Amazon
with
Prime.
A healthy amount of episodes and episode length.
Yeah.
That's the best one.
Yeah. But as I was going to say, this is what the trail looks like. It's fairly lush and green and very peaceful. So far, no scrambling. What do you think?
Yeah, pretty decent so far. It kind of reminds me of the Upper Kananaskis.
Yeah.
Except this has more of a steady incline.
Yeah, I was just going to say Upper Kananaskis is more flatter, whereas this one, I mean, look at this. It's like a gradual incline. I think this has definitely more elevation gain than Upper Kananaskis. But yeah, we're just taking our time. Very scenic, even though there's a lot of people on this trail. Everyone's kind of also fairly spread out. I don't know how it's going to be up there. I think we're nearly at the first viewpoint, but this last bit before the viewpoint is probably the most incline we've experienced on this trail. We're getting a little sneak peek at what this
nibble.
We've been hiking through the lush greenery for quite some time, and it's nice to be finally out in the open and get a little peek at the view here. It's really, really beautiful, isn't it? You're beautiful.
And it's a nice break from the bugs too for now.
Yeah, I mean, even though we were in the shaded area, I mean, it's cloudy now, it's overcast.
Yeah.
It's still fairly muggy through the forest, and it's nice to finally be out in the open and just the air is just much cooler. It's just more fresh, if that even makes sense. But
little treat here before we carry on, just because I feel like since there is like quite a lot of people around here, I think this is the best spot because most people will stop at the main spot. So I was like, I'll stop here. So yeah. So we have a few options for snacks. We have something that Arjay came up with, which looks really crazy when you're out here. We got these. So we actually decided to put our trail mix in here. So these are not actual pills. They're just literal like nuts, things like that. Like literal trail mix. But I can see how suspicious this might look when you take a shot out of it. So we have that. And then we also have something new. We have these that I saw. We got yesterday. This is rich and chewy chocolate chip and marshmallow. This is my first time trying the marshmallow one, so I'm excited.
I actually forgot that we bought that yesterday.
Yeah, that's why
I was like, we don't have granola.
I was like, me too.
Whoops.
Wait. I want you to show you what this looks like, you know. Some maca.
That looks so wrong.
No, for proof. As you can see, there's actually like trail mix in there.
We just finished taking a little granola break, and as you can see, that's where the first viewpoint is. I think we're gonna walk along here, and I believe that might be Yates Mountain. I don't know, I guess we'll find out in a bit here. There are a lot of people on that summit. Yeah, Jasmina and I were just talking about it earlier. We're like, I don't know, I feel like we definitely prefer quieter trails. Risk of bears, obviously, bear encounters are high, but
Yeah.
I think we prefer that than...
I prefer the ones that are deep in Kananaskis. This I feel like is just at the start of Kananaskis, which actually this is nice, but not my kind of vibe.
Yeah, there's quite a bit of people, but it seems like half of the people would just stop at Prairie View and then turn back down. So yeah, and then everyone just kind of splits off because there's multiple trails along this area. But yeah, right now we're en route to Yates Mountain. Yeah.
But anyways, besides the point, we're gonna have some lunch.
And also, look at this camera setup right now. There's multiple cameras, one for my vlog, one for our vlog, like the couple's channel, and then one for Jasmina's vlog.
Okay, so for lunch, I packed us the same sandwiches like last time. Here's yours.
Oh, thanks. It says I love you.
Yeah,
that's sweet.
and then mine's on the wrap.
Is this the same thing from
Last
week?
Yeah, from last week, yeah.
It's so good.
This one is just more organized because I made it more, I don't know. Yeah.
Fair enough.
We have to toast on this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wrapped this up so good.
Didn't I? Proper
tight.
sandwich style.
Rolls. Jeez. Smells nice.
Doesn't it?
Cheers.
Cheers.
So good. Just finished our lunch. It was delicious, wasn't it?
It was amazing because I made it.
True. Anyways, we were up there for a bit, and then there was another guy, and then he did say that this is Yates Mountain actually.
Yeah.
It's weird because, like I said earlier, on all trails it says Yates Mountain is like down there, which doesn't make sense because we're supposed to climb Yates Mountain, but nonetheless we did it. But unfortunately we couldn't go through the kind of like that platform or helipad or whatever because it was private property.
Someone lives there.
Yeah, it looks like someone lives there, but nonetheless we are gonna head back down. But overall, fairly decent hike. The views are honestly not the best, just because we've seen way nicer ones, that's for sure, especially here in the Kananaskis region. Okay, so the good thing about this trail is that you can take a shortcut. This is the runner's trail. It's much steeper, obviously. Going up it doesn't make sense. You might as well do the full loop because it's a steady incline, whereas here it's like it just cuts through the trail because it's much steeper.
Yeah, it's faster.
That's what we're doing going down. What did you think of the hike?
Yeah, pretty chill, pretty good.
Yeah.
A bit busy, really busy
So
actually,
busy. There's
but
so many people.
pretty decent, yeah.
Yeah, the views are, well, I'm not gonna lie, it's fairly disappointing. The views from Yates Mountain is just, yeah, it's not the best view. The view at Prairie View Summit was so much better, for one.
Yeah.
because you have a view of this barrier lake, and from Yates Mountain it's just, there's literally nothing.
Just
There's
trees.
nothing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
which, unless you're into that, of course, by all means.
Yeah, but there's trees everywhere.
We've just seen much better views here in Kananaskis, especially in Kananaskis, so it wasn't really that wow.
Yeah, but overall, decent hike, few muddy patches along the way, and the steeper part is actually when you get to just before Prairie View, as well as if you're doing Yates Mountain, it's just before Yates Mountain. But other than that, it's mostly flat and just a
Even
steady
kids did
incline.
this.
Yeah, exactly. Even dogs with short legs were doing this hike. We
Which
saw some.
I felt horrible for, because there was this one dog, he was like panting so hard and giving me the look, and I was like, I'm not really a dog person, but I was like, I actually feel a bit bad.
Yeah, but overall, great hike. We'll definitely pick something a bit harder next time. But nonetheless, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you already know what to do. Give this video a like, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!